Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making the best chicken tender. It is flavorful, juicy, and crunchy. All right, if you guys are new to my channel, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button, like, share, and comment. Do not forget to check the link out for my green beans stew or boar stew in the description box as well. So here I have my wash tenders, and we'll go ahead and add some yellow mustard, some chili oil, or you can use any oil of your choice. And I'm going to add the rest of my dry herbs and seasoning here. Then we are going to make our batter. Add your water until it becomes this consistency. Then you can go in with 1 egg and whisk that in the batter as well. Now, if you do not have any eggs, it is just fine. You don't have to put the egg in there. You can just use the batter the same. Then we're going to add our seasoned tenders. While that is submerged, we are going to whisk our dredging flour or make our dredging flour well seasoned. Mix everything together. Then we are going to shake the excess of the batter off and then place that chicken in the flour. Make sure to coat everywhere, all the crease and crevices, guys. Squeeze the flour onto the chicken tender, and then you're going to shake the excess flour off. You can see that crunch already developing. We're going to do this for the rest of our tenders. I'll let that sit for about 5 minutes. Then we preheat our oil to about 300 degrees, and then we're going in to fry. Make sure it is nice and golden for about 6 minutes. And this is what it looks like, guys. Absolutely delicious. The crunch on these guys was absolutely amazing. I know you guys are going to love this recipe. Do not, again, forget to hit that subscribe button, like, share, and comment. Love you guys. See y'all on the next video. Bye-bye.